Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Mr. Technover. Apple's upcoming iPhone 14 family is expected to launch in the fall and comprise of 4 models: the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. The mini model will be discontinued after the dismal sales of the iPhone 13 mini. According to a research note by analyst 𝗃𝗵𝗵 for Haitong International Securities, this year Apple will make its Pro and non-Pro models much more alike than before when it comes to the screens and memory amounts used. In fact, all 4 14 models are set to support 120Hz screens, not just the 2 Pro models, as it is currently the case in the iPhone 13 generation. Not just that, but all 4 models will also have the exact same RAM, which is 6GB. This too is in the contrast to the current situation, while the iPhone 13 mini and 13 have 4GB RAM, while the Pro models have 6GB. Previously, people said the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max will bump that up to 8GB, but apparently that's not happening anymore, as supply chain check revealed that cost considerations are to blame for the change in strategy. With these features being identical between the cheaper non-Pro models and the more expensive Pros, it remains to see what other things Apple can pack into the Pros, differentiate them, and make the price delta easy to swallow. For sure, cameras will continue to be one such area of differentiation, but until now, so were screen refresh rates and RAM amounts. For what it's worth, it's still quite early in the iPhone 14 rumor cycle, so don't take any of these things for granted just yet. There's plenty of time for other rumors to either corroborate or challenge these statements. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's catch up soon. Till then, peace out.